So there's always new iPhones being released every single year, and there's no surprise that we're probably gonna get a new iPhone this year by Apple. But what is the best iPhone so far for 2022? Well, the answer is going to surprise you probably. Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. And today we're going to be talking about the best iPhone for 2022 that you need to own for 2022. So let's start. So the best iPhone of 2022 is actually the iPhone 13 mini. So I've been making a ton of videos about the iPhone 13 mini and how this iPhone mini has really changed the game and how powerful it is and how amazing it is actually to use. And I believe that this iPhone is going to be the iPhone of 2022 that a lot of people are going to really enjoy using for years to come. So of course, the first thing we're going to talk about is the battery life. So the battery life on the iPhone 13 mini is decent enough to survive the whole day if you're just using it for basic use. So if you're just checking quickly your Instagram, taking phone calls, texting everything, taking quick pictures, then it will last you the whole day with no problem and with probably more than 50% of battery life as well. But if you're using the iPhone 13 mini to edit your videos, edit photos, using a lot of data to check out YouTube videos and everything, then you're pushing the iPhone 13 mini a lot in the battery as well. And the iPhone 13 mini battery will still last you the whole day, will probably with 30 to 50% left at the end of the day. So you'll still have enough to make it home and everything. But you're pushing the limits, of course. But of course, there's an easy way to fix the battery life on the iPhone 13 mini, and that is just buying an extra little battery to plug in onto your iPhone, or even use the Anchor one that Anchor just released, where you can MagSafe charge your iPhone 13 mini, since the iPhone 13 mini does have MagSafe, and that's what makes it really amazing iPhone as well, is how it's able to have all that stuff, all the MagSafe components right in this little body. So next, of course, is the camera. So the camera on the iPhone 13 mini has the camera from the iPhone 12 Pro, and so that means it has a very good sensor, but it also has the latest sensor from the iPhone 13s of this year and the 13 Pro of this year as well. It shares the same camera sensor, so you're getting that high quality photo and video images from the newer iPhones and the more powerful iPhone Pro lineup on the iPhone 13 mini. And so you're going to really enjoy what Apple has done when it comes to using the camera on the iPhone 13 mini. The colors just really look nice. They look realistic. They don't pop too much, only if you edit them, of course. But the photography on the iPhone 13 mini and the video is second to none, and you'll probably be amazed on how powerful the camera feature is on the iPhone 13 mini. And that what makes it really attracting to a lot of people is the camera on the iPhones are just one of the best video cameras and photography cameras out there that you can carry, and that's always on you as well. So size. So the iPhone 13 mini, of course, is the smallest iPhone in Apple's newest iPhone lineup of 2021, and probably one of the cutest iPhones ever out there released. Cause look how cute this is. Like, the iPhone 13 mini is the cutest little iPhone out there. But don't let the cuteness and size, of course, surprise you of how awesome this iPhone is. Like, the power of this iPhone that it has is just really amazing. The A15 chip, of course, it makes it helps it that it does not slow down or anything like that. So if you're watching or playing video games on your iPhone 13 mini, you won't have any problems. If you're editing videos or editing photos, of course, or creating stuff on the iPhone 13 mini, filming, using it as a vlogging camera for your YouTube videos, you're gonna be happy with it, because all the power, how powerful this iPhone is, it's going to surprise you, and you're probably gonna be really happy with this iPhone in 2022. So that's why I believe the iPhone 13 mini is gonna be the iPhone of 2022 and is the best iPhone out there right now that Apple has released for a lot of people when it comes to using their products and using their iPhones, of course, for 2022. So that is why the iPhone 13 mini is the best iPhone of 2022. Not only because of the cuteness of the iPhone, but the power, of course, the camera life, the battery life, of course, on the iPhone 13 mini, and just how powerful this is. Like look how tiny this is, but it's super powerful that you'll probably forget that you're using an iPhone 13 mini. you'll probably forget, of course, that you're carrying it also, just how light it is and how tiny it is. But don't let this size surprise you, and you'll probably be surprised on what it can do. So if you enjoy this type of videos, it would be really cool if you guys will hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, because this will help the video, of course, reach other people so that they can get some free information about the iPhone 13 mini, but it'll also help the channel as well grow.